we'll guide you through how to change wireframe color in Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Blender on your desktop so the application is ready for customization. Once Blender is open, locate the Edit option at the top of the interface. Move your mouse pointer toward the Edit menu and position it directly over the option. Click the Edit menu to display its available settings and commands. After the menu opens, look for the Preferences option within the list. Click Preferences to open the Preferences panel, where Blender stores many interface and display settings. Inside the panel, find the Themes section, which controls the appearance of different elements throughout the program. Click on Themes to access its customization options. Next, navigate to the 3D Viewport category, which contains settings related to the main workspace used for modeling and editing objects. Click the 3D Viewport section to reveal its available color controls. From this area, locate the settings for Wire and Wire Edit. Adjust these color options to any color you prefer, choosing shades that improve visibility or simply match your personal preference. Take a moment to confirm that the new colors look the way you want them to appear in the viewport. Once you are satisfied with the changes, close the Preferences panel to return to the main Blender workspace. After that, press and hold the Z key on your keyboard. While keeping the Z key pressed, move your mouse toward the wireframe option that appears in the Viewport shading menu. Position the cursor over wireframe to highlight it as your selection. Then release the Z key to activate the wireframe view mode. Blender will switch the viewport display to wireframe, allowing you to see the updated wire colors more clearly and making it easier to inspect the structure of your models while working in the scene. This method provides a quick way to customize wireframe visibility and immediately preview the results within your project for better workflow efficiency and overall comfort during modeling tasks. Using this approach also helps maintain consistency across projects, improves object visibility during complex edits, reduces visual confusion, and supports a more organized modeling environment overall for users.